The story of Big Ben, one of London's most iconic landmarks, is as rich and fascinating as the clock itself. Though many associate Big Ben with the clock tower, the name actually refers to the Great Bell within. Origins and construction of the clock tower. The clock tower, now called the Elizabeth Tower, was part of rebuilding the Palace of Westminster after a fire in 1834. Designed by Charles Barry, the new palace housed the British Parliament, symbolizing British governance. Augustus Pugin designed the tower, infusing it with Gothic revival style. Initially conceived as simple, its grand clock elevated its scale. Construction spanned 13 years, starting in 1843 and finishing in 1859, marking a remarkable engineering feat. The Great Bell, Big Ben. The bell is the structure's heart. The original bell, Big Ben, weighs over 13 tons and was cast in 1858 at Whitechapel Bell Foundry. It cracked soon after installation, necessitating a new, smaller bell. Several theories exist about the name Big Ben. The most accepted suggests it was named after Benjamin Hall, commissioner of works overseeing the bell's installation. Another theory attributes the name to boxer Big Ben Conant. The clock mechanism. At installation, the clock was a marvel. Edmund Beckett Dennison, a lawyer and amateur horologist, designed the mechanism in precision. Its pendulum, a large iron rod, was regulated by coin stacks, ensuring accuracy. The clock chimes every quarter hour and its four faces, each 7 meters in diameter, consist of frosted glass, visible even at night. The tower's transformation into Big Ben, initially called Clock Tower or St. Stephen's Tower by the early 20th century, it was known as Big Ben. In 2012, the tower was officially renamed the Elizabeth Tower, yet many still call it Big Ben. Big Ben's role in British life and culture. Big Ben soon became symbolic of London, the UK, and British democracy. Its chimes, heard at quarter-hour intervals, accompany Londoners daily and signify national moments. BBC broadcasts have ensured global fame, recording events like WWII's and in 1945 and UK's EU entry in 1973. Cultural significance is reflected in films, shows, and books. Photographers and artists frequent its striking presence against the River Thames. Restoration and challenges. Big Ben has seen restorations and repairs. The clock mechanism updated in 2007, and a major restoration begun in 2017, silencing Big Ben for months. Restorations included masonry repairs and visitor facility enhancements. Despite silences, Big Ben symbolizes London's stability, cultural, historical, and national significance. Fun facts: Big Ben rings on the hour and chimes quarterly. It cracked and was replaced in 1858. The tower's height is 96 meters, part of London's recognizable skyline. Big Ben chimes air on the BBC. Today, Big Ben is more than a clock. It's a vital British identity piece, symbolizing connection to the past and future. It stands at London's heart, embodying time, tradition, and British resilience.